Privacy in the middle of it all. 1070 Settlers Pass is the total package, and it's tucked away in a private little cul-de-sac in the area's most desirable neighborhood. This custom-built home has the owner's suite on the main, an open floor plan, and a huge unfinished basement that is ready for expansion. Maybe the best part of 1070 Settlers Pass is the private elevated outdoor area in the back, where morning coffee and afternoon beverages will be enjoyed as if you're sitting high above in a Costa Rican Rain Forest. Just a special spot. Settlers Ridge is the unicorn subdivision with an Athens address but located in Oconee County, which is home to the top-ranked public schools in the state. 10 minutes or so to downtown and the University of Georgia, and 5 minutes to all the shopping you could ever need, makes this optional HOA swim/tennis community the one that people wait for a house to come available so they don't last long. Location, privacy, quality, it's all here at 1070 Settlers Pass.